Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Today I am keeping it simple: what stands out, what to check, and who the wall shelves is for. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. Sonos won the powerful smart speaker with voice control built in. That can make it more useful in everyday situations. Brilliant sound, get rich, room-filling sound with Sonos One, and control it with your voice, the Sonos app. This is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. Voice control Alexa is built right, and so you can play music, check news, set alarms, get your questions. For most buyers, that is where the value starts to show. The key positives are wall storage, cleaner setup, and home decor. The one caution is simple: check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. One buyer summed it up well, saying it brief content visible, double tap to read full content. My simple verdict: the wall shelves looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.